Hi everyone, I hope life is treating you well. Today I am trying out a recipe for lazy Russian dumplings that I found online. Let's see how it goes. To make these lazy Russian dumplings, you will need ground meat of your choice, fresh onion, fresh garlic, salt, ground pepper, flour, eggs, and either milk or water. For the filling, I'm using about 2 pounds of ground beef, a large finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of pressed garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, and about a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything really well, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then let it rest for about 15-20 minutes so the flavors come together. While that's resting, prepare the coating. Beat 2 eggs with about 4 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Then make a little hill of flour on your flat plate or a board for easier coating. Mix the filling again and then now shape small meatballs. I'm using a half teaspoon scoop to keep them even. Dip each meatball into the egg mixture, then into the flour, and repeat this 2 or 3 times so they get a nice layered coating. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add salt, bay leaf, and a few whole peppercorns. Drop the dumplings in and cook them on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes once they start boiling. You can serve them straight from the broth with sour cream, butter, ketchup, mustard, or even salsa, whatever you like. So, my verdict honestly, the process doesn't save that much time compared to making traditional dumplings. Of course, you can use a container with flour where you can coat multiple meatballs at once. People online saying that it speeds up the process. But most of all, I was not impressed with the texture of the dough. Personally, I still prefer the old-fashioned Siberian dumplings. One of these days, I'll show you how I make those traditional way. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you next time.